This increases the flow of fresh blood towards your fallopian tubes, and because of this, your fertility is gradually weakening. Please try to understand this point. Greetings to everyone. Once again, a heartfelt welcome to all of you on our channel Kusum Yoga. Today, you could say we have a very power-packed or important session, which is about Malasana. Yes, whenever we fight against infertility, whenever we do fertility booster exercises, Malasana plays a very significant role in that. In my previous video, I explained in great detail how powerful Malasana is, so much so that if you need IVF, if the doctor says you have to undergo IVF to become a mother, you can solve that problem just by practicing Malasana. Be sure to watch the video called No IVF Needed so that you can understand how our body's structure is deeply connected to Malasana through natural mobility. If you practice Malasana regularly, you won't face infertility problems, and even if you already have them, they will be resolved. So let's do another sequence today in which we'll give priority to Malasana, and by combining several variations of Malasana with 2 or 3 other exercises, we'll practice really well. Don't just watch the video till the end, you have to actually do it till the end. I'm not going to say just watch till the end and don't skip. I'm going to say that you need to do every single step along with me. Before starting this video, you should definitely do a bit of warm-up, and for warming up you can do jumping jacks, running on the spot, or basic stretches like Surya Namaskar. That way, your body will be warmed up a bit. So without wasting much of your time, let's just get straight into Malasana and sit down. So, this pose is called Malasana. Where does this name come from? It's the natural position for passing stool. Many of you, especially the ladies, might not be able to sit in Malasana. If you are a bit overweight or your body weight is on the higher side, you might not be able to balance in Malasana. You might be sitting like this, raising your heels, but you should try to practice as much as possible so you can sit flat-footed. And for this, a yoga block can help you, so here is a yoga block. You can place this yoga block under your hip bones and sit if you are not able to sit flat-footed in Malasana. So in Malasana, you simply have to sit. There are a lot of variations in this. In my live classes, I see many women sitting like this, but this is not Malasana. If your spine is bent forward, then this is not Malasana. In Malasana, both your elbows should not come forward past your knees. They should rest on top of your knees like this. Why should you keep them like this? You can see for yourself from the side view. If I am sitting like this, then my spine is rounded and it's a strange posture, a very awkward posture. And if I want to sit with my spine straight, then I need to keep my elbows on top of my knees. There will be a slight pressure from my elbows downward, stretching them outward, and that's where you will get the most benefit. Keep your elbows on top of your knees and apply a gentle outward pressure like this. This opens up your hip joints. The blood flow in your pelvic floor increases, and on top of that, your spine stays completely straight. So this is the perfect Malasana. So first, we'll do Malasana perfectly. Sit in this position for 30 to 35 seconds. For those who can't keep their feet flat in Malasana and end up sitting like this, how do you bring your feet flat? You might be able to manage for a little while during a break, but how will you actually learn? So, the most effective exercise for them is actually mopping the floor at home. You don't literally have to mop the floor. Maybe you use a wiper or some other way to clean. But just imagine that you have to mop the floor. Every day, you need to walk 30 to 50 steps inside your house as a rule. You have to make a big circle and come back to your mat. So, in this way, just watching me walk isn't going to help you at all. You have to start walking yourself. Just like you are watching this video and doing it along with me, you can count your steps. If you are getting really tired, then walk 30 steps. If your body is very flexible, then walk 50 steps. This is a very, very effective exercise. This is an effective mobility exercise that will increase the flow of fresh blood to your pelvic floor towards your uterus, your ovaries, and your fallopian tubes. So you should do this exercise daily. If you have issues with obesity and can't walk like this, you can also practice walking by keeping both hands down for support. Take support from your hands. Okay, as you keep walking, your ankles and these joints will become so flexible. You'll see that within a week, you'll be able to sit comfortably in flat-footed Malasana. So this is your first practice for Malasana. The second practice, Udarakarshanasana, is very important. You will sit like this, placing both hands on your knees. Alright, and one more thing, you might say, sir, you've uploaded so many videos in the playlist, which one should we do and which one shouldn't we? In every video, I'm explaining the same thing. This isn't a one-shot cure where if you do this exercise, your fallopian tube blockage will go away. It's not like if you sit in a pose morning and evening, your ovaries will become strong and your ovulation will improve. It doesn't work like that. You need to increase blood flow to your entire reproductive organ area and improve mobility there. You need to enhance the flow of energy there as well. For that, it's very important to wake up in the morning and do 5 kriyas and then do plenty of stretches and strengthening exercises. Basically, these should focus on your lower belly and pelvic floor. So make sure to add this sequence at least 1 day a week. At a minimum, you must include this sequence once a week. So now you understand, right? Sit like this and push one knee towards the other foot. Like this, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Many sisters have commented that they started yoga after watching your video. So believe me, if you started, the results aren't far away either. From my side, I just want to say that your journey will take about 5 to 6 months. No matter what, whether you've been trying for 2 years or 3 years, if 2 IUIs have failed, if 2 IVFs have failed, it's okay. If the doctor has suggested IVF, if you follow these yoga practices very regularly and with discipline for 5 to 6 months, and whenever you decide that, no sir, I have to start from today itself. Right after making that decision, make sure to watch one video, the 8-step roadmap, the roadmap towards IVF, the roadmap towards no IVF. Be sure to watch that video so you will get a clear idea of what you might be missing even if you are already doing these things. What exactly are you skipping that's preventing you from getting definite results? So, this thing I am doing, how many times should you do it? 20 times. Like this, for that many times. You might say, sir, my thighs are hurting. Of course, there will be pain. There will be pain because we've stopped sitting like this. Earlier, our mothers and grandmothers used to sit like this all day long. Why? Working in the fields, washing clothes in the pond, cleaning utensils, mopping the house. They used to sit all day, so they got used to it. You've lost the habit, and because of this, your fertility is gradually weakening. Understand this point, so there will be a little pain. Within a week or so, you will be completely comfortable too. Now, what will we do from here? Both your feet look at your big toes. Hold your big toes like this with 2 fingers each, okay. I'll show you the side view. Your hands will be inside your legs. Lock the big toes completely on the inner side. Now, what will you do from here? I'm looking straight ahead. Look at the position of the spine. Pull it straight and keep it completely upright. With both hands, open your thighs a little outward. This is the inhalation posture, and on exhalation, you lift your waist up. You look down and do this 15 to 20 times like this. Inhale, exhale, come on. While inhaling and exhaling, don't let go of your feet. You have to keep holding your feet. Your legs should be completely straight. If someone can't do a proper forward bend, if it's not possible, then just hold as far as you can reach. No problem, but as soon as you sit, your hands will come down. Inhale like this and hold a little higher. The knees should remain completely straight. If you keep bending your knees and only go this far while inhaling and exhaling, you won't get much benefit. Keep your knees straight and bring your body down as close as you can during the exhale and sit back up as you inhale. If you can do this while keeping the lock, that's even better. Alright, keep exhaling along with me. Keep listening to the explanation. Keep exhaling. Inhale, come on, exhale. If you don't inhale and exhale, you won't get results. Don't try to balance backward while inhaling and exhaling. If you are falling, take a break. I'm telling you all the solutions. Now there are no excuses like, sir, I can't do it. Why wouldn't you be able to do it? Place blocks behind you if you are falling. Sit up straight, exhale, inhale. Very good. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Your hands and feet should come inward. Keep this in mind. Alright, what should you do from here? Come on, you can even do this while sitting on a brick. If you don't have a yoga block, that's fine, you don't need it. For those who don't need it, what will we do from here? Will you roll over your knees? Both knees comfortably, not forcefully, just comfortably. Place them forward. Both hands behind your waist, push and stretch your back once. Look back like this. Inhale, okay. Exhale. Yes, like this. Inhale for proper back bend. Bend your back as far as your flexibility allows. On the exhale, come back to Malasana. Do this 15 times as well. Inhale for the back bend like this. There should be a slight gap between your feet. On the exhale, roll and sit in Malasana, right? Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Keep saying come on together. You have to do more than me. You want the result. I need you to get the results. That's why I am working so hard. That's why I am posting one video after another, so that you all understand, not from one video, not from two, not from four, but I'll post 10 videos. If you keep hearing the same thing again and again, at least something will click. Isn't it true that if we keep depending on medicine, we can't do anything? There is medicine support. You have to do the right thing yourself. Okay, inhale, exhale. Otherwise there would not have been so many comments that sir failed twice. I failed 3 times. Sir, I have been trying for 5 years. I visited all the doctors. Hey, understand now, if I had to be okay then I wouldn't have failed 3 or 4 times. If doctors could do something, then 4 or 5 years would be more than enough. You have to do it yourself because fertility is not some miracle. It's just like a natural body functionality. If you have a body, you will feel hungry, you will eat food, your digestion will happen, you will need to breathe. You are inhaling, you are exhaling. There's nothing miraculous about any of the body's mechanisms, like feeling hungry or not feeling hungry. Just like everyone feels hunger, fertility is also a natural function of the body, so then why isn't it happening? It's like a mirror. If I go to look at my face in a mirror and the mirror is completely covered in dust, if no one has cleaned it for many years, what will happen? If I can't see my face, should I change the mirror, throw it away, break it, or take it to a shop for repair? No. What do I need to do? I just need to clean the mirror. If I spray a little cologne and clean it a bit, I'll see my face shining clearly, right? In the same way, your fertility isn't working because waste has been accumulating in your body for a long time. A lot of toxins, a lot of emotional stress, a lot of physical stress. Most of the heaviness accumulates in the lower body when stress builds up. You need to get rid of it. For that, Malasana is a really amazing, miraculous exercise. Alright, now I'll show you another exercise. While sitting in Malasana, I'll show you 2 more exercises for the left and right. In today's video, we'll do some very simple left and right stretches. Inhale like this, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. How many times should you do this? 20 times. You have to do it 20 times. 10 times each on the left and right. Inhale, exhale, 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 inhale, exhale. Many times, even when I am giving a demo, I end up doing more than 20 and you all have problems to solve, yet you don't do it. You get tired after 10 counts, sit down after 12 counts, and then complain that your legs hurt. I feel pain too, don't I? I've already taught 4 classes since morning. Now I've come to the studio to shoot just for you all, only for you, so that you don't have to wait a whole week and I can't post the video on time. So after doing all this, I at least hope that you all will definitely practice. I don't need you to just leave a lot of comments or shower me with praise. I really like reading your comments, it makes me feel great, but honestly, what I truly wish for is that you actually do it, practice, and then comment saying, "Sir, I practiced everything today and this is how I felt." I don't want comments like, "Thank you, sir, I really enjoyed watching your video." No, tell me how you felt after practicing. Alright, now, if you keep doing this for a long time, your legs might start to hurt a bit, your knees might get stiff, so what should you do then? Every now and then, if you can't keep doing so many Malasana exercises continuously, whenever your legs get tired, just sit like this and do one round of Chakki Butterfly. Then do the second Malasana exercise again, then sit like this and do one round of Chakki Butterfly. The exercise session shouldn't be a lazy or half-hearted one. If you've decided that you will exercise for half an hour today, then that half hour should be a solid workout. Alright, so what should I do here? Why am I doing Chakki Butterfly? Because I wanted to relax my legs, so after relaxing, my option is that I can sit like this. I can scroll through WhatsApp messages on my phone, and I have another option too. Yes, my legs are getting relaxed, but if I stretch my hamstrings, if I do Chakki Butterfly, then my body will benefit even more. So, the options are yours. Some people say, I do yoga for an hour, but when I look, I see that in that 1 hour, they are only actually exercising for 25 minutes. The rest of the time, they are wiping sweat, sitting around, or chatting with the person next to them. After Malasana, when you do Chakki Butterfly, make sure to count equally on both sides. Do it 15 times to the right and 15 times to the left. You have to do it. You have to cleanse your own body yourself. No one else is going to come and clean it for you. You have to flush out all the toxins from inside, okay? Exhale as you go forward. Inhale as you come back. And if you get tired in between, do the butterfly pose, alright? But just sitting in butterfly pose alone has never improved anyone's fertility. The internet is flooded with it, Baddhakonsana, Titli Asan, butterfly pose. If you search for yoga for fertility, the first thing you will see everywhere is people just sitting in this pose. I'm not saying it's not a great pose. It's a very good one, but if you think that just sitting like this every day will get you pregnant, that's not how it works. If you already have some problem like blocked fallopian tubes, endometriosis, or some issue with your ovaries, just sitting like this won't help you. You should do this pose occasionally to improve leg stretching and increase blood flow. But you will still have to put in all the other hard work. Alright, one last exercise, legs sit back down in Malasana. And here's another trick. When you get tired, sit back and do another round of Chakki Butterfly to the right, Chakki Butterfly to the left, then butterfly pose. Keep adding these in between. Now that you are sitting in Malasana like this, what do you need to do? Place your hand down, exhale and look up. Then inhale and come back to center. Again, you need to bend. Where do you place your hand? Elbow next to one big toe and middle finger next to the other big toe, right in the middle. Then twist upwards. Exhale, inhale. Then like this, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Do it 20 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Come on, inhale. I am able to count this much while giving the demo, so why aren't you doing it? Inhale, get up, wake up, and do it. You'll have to do it. The NS level is low. Sir, the doctor said if we don't do it now, it'll be too late. The doctor said that if you failed once, then try again now. Age is increasing. That's exactly what I'm saying too. Every single day, age is increasing. You are still just making plans. Sir, we'll do it tomorrow. We'll do it the day after. We'll start next week. You want to go out on the weekend. There are relatives at home. You can't do yoga. The child has exams. You can't do yoga. Your age is still increasing. Age is increasing every day. If you start right now, from the very day you begin, in the next 4 to 5 months, you are bound to get good news. It's definitely going to happen. And if you want guided training, absolutely, just like this, with me. If you want me to watch and correct you, like if your hand is here, your leg isn't going the right way, then there are live classes too. You can join those as well. It's not like I'll teach a lot more in the live classes, or that I'm hiding something on YouTube. I'm not hiding anything. But the thing with YouTube is, the exercises are 15 or 20 minutes long and you have to sequence them yourself. In live classes, we do a full hour continuously, so you get an idea of how doing it this way creates a complete 1 hour sequence. Do live classes for 2 to 3 months, then you'll manage on your own. Let's sit down. Alright. Whenever you are sitting idle, do the butterfly pose. So that's it for today. Try it once and see how much fun it is. If you do it for 15 to 20 days, you'll instantly get rid of a lot of problems. And again, I keep saying this, fertility is a journey, it's a natural gift. It's not some kind of miracle. God has blessed you with fertility too. You just need to keep it clean and healthy. Myself, Yoga Guru Amlan, retired Indian Air Force coach and one of India's more successful fertility yoga teachers. If you want to know anything else, definitely write it in the comments. I'll be very happy to reply to your comments and make a video on that particular topic. See you very soon with another exciting video.